prosecution of common object. This section can easily be understood as where an offence be committed by any of member and unlawful assembly in the prosecution of common purpose of assembly, or as the members of that assembly knew likely to be committed in the prosecution of that purpose. Any person who is a member of the same assembly at the time of commission of that offence shall be guilty of that offence. Now there is this case, Bhudev Mandal versus State of Bihar. The apex court ruled that the proof must obviously establish not only the common object but also demonstrate that the common object was illegitimate before convicting any individual with the help of section 149. Now there is this another case, that is Ramdhani versus State. There was a land dispute and the plaintiff restored to the accused party's crop cutting. The latter were in a number more than 5 and assembled to avoid cutting. The tribunal ruled that individuals acting in the property's self-defense could not be the members of an unlawful assembly, and so it could not be said that they performed an illegal assembly. The penalty pursuant of section 149 is the same as the offence committed in unlawful assembly. Ingredients of section 149: an offence committed by members of an unlawful assembly in prosecution of the common object. Members knew to be likely. The second part refers to a situation in which members of the assembly knew that the offence was likely to be committed in prosecuting the common object. 5 or more persons to be involved for committing the common object. Thank you very much. Let's see you in the next video.